Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Half Way Tree and we're going to take a look at some of the plazas in the Half Way Tree area. Now at this intersection we are on Hope Road. If we turn left, that's Half Way Tree Road. We're going straight across onto Hope Road, and the other road at that intersection is Constant Spring Road. So Half Way Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. 250,000 people a day pass through this area. So we're now in the York Plaza and we're going to look at these plazas because these plazas are unique in Jamaica. There is a formula for a successful plaza in Jamaica. You need a supermarket, you need food stores, and you need to put it in a busy place, a populated place. Now the only exception to that rule is these plazas in the Half Way Tree area. They don't have a supermarket, but they have, like, this one has Mother's on the left. That's the food store. But because Half Way Tree has so many people, it's the only exception to the rule. So there is no supermarket in this plaza, but this plaza is very popular, it's very busy. Because it's so close to the bus park and the taxi areas and the transportation hubs, basically. So up here now you have York Pharmacy, which is a very popular pharmacy in Jamaica. Straight across the road, that's the NCB Bank. So just to give you an idea, 1 acre of land in New Kingston costs about 1.5 million US. That's almost 300 million Jamaican dollars. No, maybe 250 million Jamaican dollars. Because anything you build down here, and the place is full of plazas, mostly plazas, you're going to do well because of the volume of people, the amount of people, I should say, that pass through this area every day. Now Jamaica has a population of about 3 million. The city of Kingston has a population of about 1 million. And Half Way Tree has 250,000 people a day. That's 25% of the city of Kingston. That's well, that just gives you an idea of just how busy it is. So this is York Plaza. Straight ahead is the St. Andrew Justice Center, and then beside it is where JBC used to be. I think they're still there actually, but I'm not sure. I think they're still there, but that building there is kind of empty. Okay, now on the left you see a bus park. So we're going to take a tour over here now. So anywhere you see the transportation hub, like the bus park or the taxi stands, you know that's where you're going to find a lot of people. Okay, so this plaza now, it used to have a Burger King. I don't see the sign anymore, but it has Popeyes now. There you go. And this is right beside the York Plaza. I'm not sure if this plaza has a name. I don't know what it is, but this is the one right beside it. And straight ahead you have the bus park. Not the Half Way Tree Transport Center. That's a different bus park. Okay. So you have a lot of small stores over here. I don't see the Burger King. Burger King used to be in here. Alright. Earlier I said JBC. Sorry about that, guys. TVJ. JBC was what it was. The first television station in Jamaica was JBC, but it changed names a long time ago to TVJ, and that's the name that's on the TV now, the channel. And we have 2 channels in Jamaica, TVJ. No, actually we have more than 2 now, but at one time it was TVJ and CVM. Alright, that probably just goes to show you how old commentator is by calling it JBC. If you tell a young person now JBC, they look at you confused. I have no idea what that is. Alright, straight ahead is the St. Andrew Parish Church, and that is one of the oldest churches in Jamaica. It was established in 1664. However, it's not the oldest, because remember, Jamaica was a colony of the Spanish and then became a colony of the English. So they have churches in Jamaica that are older than this one. But it's good that this church has maintained its design, its architecture. Okay, on the left now is what you call Mullines Road. So if you turn left there, you take Mullines Road, and that takes you back to Washington Boulevard, and from there you can go out of Kingston if you want onto Mandela Highway. Okay, so this is the Half Way Tree Transport Center. Very nice building. The government did an excellent job, I must say. I'm very impressed every time I drive by this facility. Very, very impressive. And when we say government, we don't necessarily mean the government in power. It was whatever government was in power when that building was being designed and built. I have no idea which government it is, but whichever one did it, it was an excellent job. That's the kind of progress you like to see in Jamaica. Hopefully one day every parish, every major transportation hub will look like that one. Okay, on the right is the Pavilion Plaza. Okay, straight ahead, that's Constant Spring Road, and that's the BNS Bank over there. Now, I'm not sure if this branch is still operating, because BNS is the second largest bank in Jamaica. NCB is the largest commercial bank, and they both have been closing branches, which I don't know, that's for a different video I guess, but that just doesn't make sense to me. When you go into it, yeah, the branch looks like it's closed. They have another one further down on Constant. Actually, they had 3 on Constant Spring Road, so that one is probably closed. Alright, so this is the Half Way Tree area now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.